What's up, everybody? Here I am back again with another cool computer science software coding project that I've been working on. This one was really fun. I decided to do a trading bot. Um, I really like computer science and I also like trading and markets. So I decided to combine the two, and this is what we got. So I used a website called Quant Connect, and Quant Connect does a lot of the back end work for you. So connecting to, um, a market, being able to back test your bot, connecting to an API. We got a nice little API over here that we can search up anything that we might want to use inside our bot. Um, so it makes it really nice and easy to use. Um, so we have our our little bot here, and the whole premise of this bot, I'll break it down here. So we have our start and end dates of what the time frame we want to trade for back testing, our starting cash, the asset that we're trading. So we're just trading the S&P 500. Um, and this is just some things, data points for the actual bot. And so here we have the days that we want to wait after we exit the position. So the whole idea of this bot is we buy in at a certain time, um, and we only sell out if the price of the S&P 500 dips 5% from where we bought in, or the updated price, I should say. So if we buy in at $200 and it dips 5%, then we sell out. We are liquidated. But if we buy in at 200 bucks and say it goes to $250 and then it dips 5%, then we sell out. So we have a net gain. That's the whole idea of this bot. So that's what all this is doing. And I've allocated 90% of our portfolio. So we are leaving 10% in cash. Um, and we can actually do 100% of that if we wanted to. Um, but anyways, so we have done all this, and this is selling it not at 5%. So um, yeah, so that's the entire idea of this bot. This is the code for it. Lots of different stuff, setting limit orders and whatnot. And so this is me back testing the bot from 2010, I think 2010 to 2021. So about 11 years of market, which in the last 11 years, if you've just bought and hold, then you've done pretty well because that's kind of what we're doing. We're buying and holding, but we're selling at hopefully at 5%. So we are this bot is making sure that our losses are smaller than our gains. So as you can see, we've doubled our money, just about 103% return. So that's great. At the end of it, we had 203 grand. So that's awesome. So down here we get a little bit of metrics from our bot. So we had a win rate of 53% and a loss rate of 47%. So we were winning more than we were losing. And the nice thing about it is our average win was 6.33%. So it was about 6% gains. And every time we lost, we only lost 2.95%. So that's what we were looking for. We were really wanting to make sure that our losses were smaller than our wins. And it looks like that has happened in this back test here. So that's really nice. We have a total of 77 trades over the last 11 years. So that's kind of cool. And then you have all the trades down here of the last 11 years that you can look at, make sure everything's working. So yeah, it's pretty cool. They got a lot of different. We paid about $200 in fees. Um, so it's really, really nice to see all the cool stuff that you can do. Let's see if this runs. I'm going to build this again and back test it again, which it takes 20 seconds since I have a free account, but we'll see you back then. So this is what it ran. We just ran. I changed my holdings to 100%, so we put all 100K in there. And as we could suspect, we made a little bit more money than this one. So we had a 203,000. With this one, we had 218,000. So it's fun to play around with, but that's pretty much the entirety of my bot. I hope to make some improvements and make it a little bit more complex and learn a little bit more about markets in the future. But that's it. I hope it's inspired you guys to go out and make your own bot.